Hi guys, Rick Dameth at Cowtown USA here in a little town called Cuba, Missouri. Here with a brand new Lakota, and I would call it a hard-loaded 3-horse trailer. It's got your upgraded dual hydraulic jacks, your dual batteries. It has got your power awning on it. It's been upgraded to your Goodyear radial tires and your aluminum wheels. Pretty obvious that you have your drop-down feed doors, or drop-down butt doors, I should say. Got your rear ramp on it, which is really nice to be able to walk up to your rear tack. Open it that simply, and put your saddle down rather than try to chuck it up over the top of your head. Yeah, got to step over here. Equipped with your mangers, your drop-down doors, face bars that stay up, full escape door with a drop-down window with the bars in it as well. It's got your upgraded lock, so you can actually deadbolt it behind you. Got your upgraded step. Just step in here and we'll go through into the back door. I'll show you it's 7'6" tall, fully insulated, fully lined. All your walls are lined. Your double walled. Everything is, I'll show you here. Everything slam latches. It's got your stud divider in it, as you can see. Okay, take in here. First thing going to greet you is your frosted shower glass. Nice shower. Nice vanity. You like the way that faucet's made. Okay. Herringbone floor. See what we got in here. Hanging closet. Got your shelf there. Your pocket door with your tweed on it. How cool is that? Got your slide out dinette that makes into a bed. Got your couch on the riser wall that makes into a bed. Got your recessed cooktop, stainless steel sink, microwave oven, your big fridge, which is propane or electric. Got your freezer here on the top. I don't know if I mentioned this pocket door, but it does have a pocket door, so it slides out of your way. Let's see what we got here. Another hanging closet as well. Place to set up here for your DVD, I guess, or your satellite dish. Wood is very pleasing to the eye. All your soft shades, more storage above your slide out, more storage, more storage. And one thing, I don't know if you can tell this or not, but it's really deep. So you're going to be able to sit up in the bed. Got your all important steps. What do we got here? Sliding screen door as well. Let me see here if I've missed anything for you. Okay, it's got the skylight here in the bathroom. That's an upgrade. Oh, what else do I see here? Saw two things here. It's got a three-way switch here. These are all upgrades. So you can come in here at night, kick your wet, dirty clothes on, and come here and turn the lights on and off in the horse compartment. So if you're in the bed at 3 o'clock in the morning, somebody calls you and said, hey, your horse is loose, you can just jump back here and your lights are on. You can see exactly what you're doing. Again, that's another upgrade. Let's see here. I mean, it is a loaded trailer, I can tell you. Won't be the cheapest thing on the internet, but you can actually see the benefit of what we're talking about. So give us a call at Cowtown USA, 573-885 here. And I forgot about this. This is going to be very important. I probably should have started off with this. Right now, when you buy this trailer, you get a lifetime warranty on the stove, on the microwave, on the fridge, freezer, on your ducted AC unit, on your water heater, your furnace. You heard that right. Lifetime. And no deductible. So if down the road you've got a problem, I mean, if you finance this trailer for 10 years, Factory, they have a 2-year warranty on the appliances. Man, you're covered as long as it's financed. As long as it's financed, all your appliances, guys, for a lifetime. Right now, we're the only one in the United States offering this. It does not have to come to Cowtown to get this covered. I mean, who knows in 20 years whether Cowtown will still be here or not. But you'll have this in writing. Send them to California, send them all over, and they are available. They are available there, just like they are here, as far as coverage when you buy this, when you buy your trailers from Cowtown USA. So think about that when you're shopping and looking. This is a tremendous value to be able to be covered longer than what you make a payment on. I mean, think about that, guys. That's a huge deal. As long as you're making payments on it, it's covered, and even after it's paid for, it's still covered under warranty. Thank you, guys. Give us a call at Cowtown, 573-885-6300.